You're watching Drawing Fun with me, Ryan. Today we're going to transform this banana into Happy Banana with homemade stickers. Let's get drawing.
Banana face.
Banana face.
Banana face.
Today we're going to have fun with bananas. How can we draw on bananas? Well, you can just draw with marker on bananas, but then I don't like eating them after I've drawn with marker on bananas. So we're going to do something else. Alright, have you guys ever used sticker paper? I'll put the link in down below, but you can see it's sticker paper. You can buy it at office supply stores. You can buy it on Amazon. Right? Stickers. Sticker paper. So you can draw anything you want on it and then use it as a sticker, right? Awesome, because who doesn't love stickers? You gotta get off stickers. So we're gonna draw some funny faces, some funny eyes and stuff, and then we'll just stick them on the banana. Well, after we cut them out. So I'm gonna draw, I guess, some simple circles for eyes. We'll draw separate eyes, so we'll cut them out separately. No. Yes, that guy's gonna get an eyelid, right? We'll make these sad eyes. Bananas can be sad, right? Like, oh, I'm gonna be eaten. My life is over as I know it. Oh, so sad. So sad. All right, so there's some sad eyes. Now we'll give them just some normal, like, happy eyes. Let's see. So we'll make these eyes a little, like, more like circles. You can make any size eyes you want, but you can do this. I'm using this banana so they're about the right size. And put them a little sparkle in the eyes. Like, boing. So it's like super cute eyes like that. Angry banana. Oh no! Oh no! There's some eyes. We'll just make him angry. He's an angry banana. Don't eat me! I want to be free! Banana freedom for all! Then we need like some mouths. So we'll give him a funny nose like this, right? Or like a weird nose like a lima bean. Or he doesn't even need a nose, maybe. He probably won't have a nose. So then we'll give him like a smile. Just a real simple smile. Hey, he's smiling. The angry one needs like a frowny face, right? So like he's like, maybe he's got some teeth sticking out. But that's kind of thin, so we'll give it a little edge around so you can like see his lips. His angry eyes can be more like an upside down smile. We'll give him sharp pointy teeth because he's angry about being eaten and little outside lips. Okay, so you can color these if you wanted to. Now we're just gonna take a pair of scissors. And now we have these things. See, we have automatic little stickers. Boop. So we're gonna put these two together. Whoa, that looks kind of backwards or weird. I don't know why that looks weird, but okay. Let's see here. Sad eyes. Oh, that looks pretty good. Oh, maybe that. Whee! Let's see, angry. Angry probably needs like the silly nose. Oh, that looks pretty good. We're gonna go with no nose. No nose. I don't know. I like no nose, I guess, even though we cut out the noses. Well, there you go. The creative process at play. Now, we're gonna take the banana, whichever direction you'd like to go. I think this looks good. Let's see. The sad banana is gonna be like this, right? Because it's like, oh, so sad. So then, since it's sticker paper, you gotta just like take the back and just find the edge. You might gotta use your fingernails a little bit. There's one sticker. So since he's sad, we're gonna put him forward. We'll use his other bananas. He's gonna be sad banana. So we'll put the sticker on, and right there. Let's see if we get this other eye off. I can see it. Oh. We'll put another sad eye right there on the banana. Like that. Wrap it around a little bit. It's stuck to the paper, right? That's why it's sticker paper. Alright. Alright. Sad banana. Oh, look at how sad that banana is. He's so sad. Oh, sad banana. Wah wah. I'm so sad. I'm about to be eaten. Are you sad about me being eaten? Oh, oh. All right, sad banana is pretty good, but angry banana, we'll have it from the side. All right, well, so this one we're gonna make like action banana. We'll put it up higher on the banana this time. We got like this. I'll make sure it's on correctly. All right, that's good. All right, ta-da! Finally got it. All right, this is angry banana. Don't eat me. I'm a banana. So there's angry banana and like sad banana. Sad banana's And then lastly, the last idea would be to do this, because I'm not going to peel these guys, because that was way too difficult. You could even do it like sideways, like this, or make it extra happy. It's already kind of like a smile, right? So like, do this, put on the eyes. Use some tape. Oh, that looks pretty good. You know, I don't know. Is it worth the peeling process? I would say yes, but this looks pretty good too. So there's just a happy banana. Yay! I'm so happy I'm a banana. Doo, doo, doo. I'm making people healthy by eating me. Doo, doo, doo. All right, so there you go. Sad, happy banana, and angry banana. Ooh. Like I said, tape, sticker paper. You can have some fun breakfast. Banana time. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something and you were inspired to pick up a pencil and get drawing. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And let me know what you want to see me draw next time in the comments below. Bye! Let's draw the pencil and go watch.